Do we do what we do in our transformation process for sexual gratification, or because it's our identity? That's something we can only answer to ourselves. I know from my childhood that it was my identity and not a sexual thing. Look at them Keef boulders. Yo. Look at this bitch. Got some Keef boulder on there. One of these strains is Gorilla Glue brown sugar. You can tell too because where it's sweet and tasty. Chip fires right up.
The weed underneath is burning faster than it is. I'm gonna pack some more on the end of it. Okay, we're gonna follow that up with some dab. And I think this is like Gorilla Glue with some kind of berry or something. Or grape or something. Because it's got a sweet taste to it, like a fruity taste. Ain't so much I smoked out of it so far. Gotta set on the first one. Tasty. I don't know anything about using these. I've never had one before. My kid gave me a crash course. Sounds expensive though. The little thing I just showed you, I guess in the dispensary it probably goes for 50 to 70 bucks or some shit. I don't know. It's a whole gram. I'm gonna investigate it though, because I actually like that little thing, and as long as it's working good, I'd like to continue to use it. There's always like a cough fest after the dab. I don't know why. Because it's not harsh. It's actually the smoothest product I'm using out of all these products. But maybe it's because of that. You can get such a huge hit and not realize you're getting it. And I don't know. Then your lungs are recovering for like 5 minutes. Your coughing is. We're taking a cigarette break between the dab and the next thing, which there'll be a couple of these instead of a whole one, which will equal a whole one because they're equal to a whole one there in pieces. And we'll smoke the pieces first, so that I can utilize the roaches to like put in a pipe under the Keef boulders, you know, and the Keef wraps. So that's a nice fucking day out. Not really as cold and it's dingy and there's like a rain in the air. It's one of the cold climate days. It's a nice day for us though. And we're moving on to the combo boobies, the pieces of them. Smoking down, getting medicated. Got tincture in our coffee. I'm drinking that. That's some pretty tripped out shit, that tincture. It'll knock you out. You drink too much of it. Like I just had to lay down for about 20 minutes. doing my videos OneDrive quality again, because, well, they upload faster that way, and I just like that. There's not a whole lot of difference in the quality, I mean, for no more than what you're shooting somebody sitting still or darkness. Or even putting a picture over it or some shit, you know, or GIF, a webm. GIF for the side. Because there's taproot over there. It won't be for long. They just bombarded this shit, man. It's about 4:45 in the afternoon, Tuesday afternoon. Smoking down on the combo doobie. Lots of Keef / hashing it. Shaking some super good weed. These doobies taste like fruity. It tastes good. Could be the hash, could be the weed, could be a combination of all of it. Because I've been putting a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I started off with just a little bit of the CBD bud. It was like a basis. A basis for it, yeah. When we smoked that other little half a combo, let's do a little more of this tap. I just love this shit, man. Tasty coughs. Whew. See, now that here motherfucker right there, boy. What I tell you? About 2 or 3 minutes later, I could do it to death. It's 4:20. Damn. Oh. Oh. Whew. This is a good little smoke fest. Ooh. Ooh.